What's going on, guys? Came here back in for another video for you all today. So I wanted to try something different for this video. We are not doing just my regular video. We're not teaching you guys anything today. I actually wanted to show you guys the type of videos I want to be making further in the future. Hopefully like 6 to 8 months from now, when I can actually be doing this as well. One of my biggest influences when it came to doing this is Hayden, and like he released this vlog and like he put a bunch of clips in it, and I'm like, that's pretty cool, but like could you imagine if like like when I was watching it, I was like, oh man, if I was there and if I could shoot certain things, how cool it would have looked with a stabilizer and like a drone and like just getting the shots. So like, being a freelance editor, I get a lot of like free just clips given to me to edit. So I want to have some fun with some clips and just see what it looked like to have a Hayden vlog, but pretty coolly edited. This is just lightly edited. Like I'd normally put like super zooms and stuff like that, but like I don't have the original clips, so I can't like drag extra seconds, so like songs don't work properly. So like, if you're out there and you're watching this video, I'll edit completely free. Just send me your clips, bro. I'll make you a dope LA cinematic 5-minute little video just for free, just for the fun of it. But he's probably not watching this video, so. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, remember to drop a like on it. I'm gonna talk to you guys a bit at the end, so stay tuned for that. But with that being said, let's get this video started.
Just booked a very last minute flight to LA. It leaves in about 4 hours. It's like 2 a.m. right now. Flight takes off at 6:30. Thankfully the car plug can come through, so we're gonna have a few fun cars out there. This video should be interesting. Super last minute, doing a couple meetings out there, so might just be there for the weekend. I don't know, I bought a one-way. But I gotta pack, eat, and finish up some work and then get off to the airport, so I'm gonna catch you guys along the way. Okay, we just got done grabbing some food. I know I haven't showed you guys the car yet. This is what I have for like the next 24 hours or so. Tomorrow we're switching it for a Maserati, which Gran Turismo MC, you guys are gonna see that, super sick. I'm with my buddy Ori from USC. We were just out test driving a Lamborghini Huracan, McLaren 675 LT Spider, and a McLaren 650S. So looking at a few of those cars. Not gonna tell you what I'm gonna be getting. We'll see in the next few months, but it's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna be showing you guys some stuff. I'm actually out here to look at a new spot. So we're trying to lock down a first apartment, then I wanna get a house shortly thereafter, and then from there get a place in Miami. So not sure what's gonna happen first. I'm kind of here to go look at something. In about 4 hours, we have a meeting in Hollywood, but we're gonna go back to USC, get some work done, because that's what it's all about. For those of you who like cars, it's an R8 Spider. It's not the greatest, it's not the worst, but it's fun. I like it just because it's a drop top, but unfortunately, if you look at the weather, it's just cloudy and it's actually been raining a little bit, so it looks sick in the reflection though. I will give it that, I'll give it that, but yeah, just enjoying this out here in Beverly Hills for a few days. Bought a one-way flight, so we'll see how this goes. My buddy Ori, like I told you, we're out here kicking it. And with that being said, I don't know where this is gonna go, just documenting the weekend. Nice squeaky brakes. But yeah, we'll pick up the camera wherever. And we made it to USC. Who likes a view of the R8 with the view of the city? My hair's all messed up from driving with the top down. I don't think I filmed that much. I did what I typically do, and I tried to avoid filming it inside of these travel vlogs where it was constantly just me eating food. So I did eat food, I'm a food eater, but downtown LA is looking amazing from this rooftop. We're actually at USC right now. Finished up a meeting, went and looked at an apartment. Not sure if I'm gonna get it. It's just, I don't want an apartment. Apartments are basic. I need a house or a penthouse. So something sick. I don't know what I'm looking for, but definitely want to get it going as fast as possible. So looking at that place is actually why I'm out here. And since that's not gonna happen, it's kind of, I don't want to stay all for nothing because we're doing some crazy stuff tomorrow. That's what this video is mostly gonna be focused on. I know I mentioned we checked out the Lambos as well as the McLarens. We have another appointment at both those dealerships tomorrow morning. I'm switching this car for something else, so you guys are gonna see that. A lot of fun content. Then we're driving down to Orange County, I think inside of Newport, and going to link up with a few other entrepreneurs to do some work, get some content, have some fun. So it's kind of fun. It's a V8, it's nothing crazy, but it does rip. I just like the fact that it's a drop top. I've never actually had a convertible like for more than an hour. So the fact that it's my rental for, well, a full 24 hours, it's kind of fun, but I'm more excited for the cars that are coming tomorrow. Other than that, you guys, You might have seen some cinematic B-roll. I'm definitely throwing an edit somewhere inside of this video. I don't know exactly what's going on, but this is me documenting my weekend in LA. Random trip, literally booked my flight, booked the car 4 hours before my flight took off. So that's how last minute it can be. I don't know, might catch you guys tonight. If not, I'm gonna see you in the morning with some dope content. Slight change of plans. Turns out we're actually going to pick up the Maserati right now because the plug is, actually they're not in LA, but they're in LA right now with the Maserati. So instead of Ubering an hour out of the way tomorrow, we're gonna do it right now. This is gonna be sick. You guys are gonna love this car. Put that spoiler up.
Damn right. Got you.
All right, just switched with the R8. We've got Maserati Gran Turismo MC. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys the outside here in a second. All right, you guys ready for the official? He's got a weak key. Maserati needs to up it. You ready? Oh, I don't know what year. I'd guess, what do you think it is, Ori? 2015?
20,
maybe 20, 2015. We'll call it 2015 Gran Turismo MC. It's actually, we got to talk to the plug about this. It's not in proper rental condition right now, but it's still sick. It sounds insane. Yo, should we give him a quick rev? We'll give him a quick rev. Okay, it's the morning. It's like 10 a.m. here with the boy Ori. We are headed off to the dealerships. This is gonna be one of the fun parts of this video. Headed off to go test drive a few fun cars. We got this Maserati. I know you guys saw it in the last clip from last night. Let me open it up for you. This thing, hint hint, might actually be getting traded in a few hours for something other than this. Also red, something also red, just to say the least. So we are running through cars like it's nobody's business. Look at this, first of all. This is an MC Sport line. This thing's got just an insane amount of carbon fiber. This thing's a beast. So we're gonna be driving this up to Beverly Hills. You guys are gonna see a couple of cars. Obviously I'm not gonna film while test driving, but yeah, you guys will definitely be seeing that. And then from there we're heading down to OC, linking up with, honestly I don't even know who, but a ton of different entrepreneurs to get some content, so that should be fun. Stay tuned. All right, we got Ori and the boy in the Maserati. Slide through. We're out here in McLaren. I just drove the 570S, about to drive the 675 LT, so this should be a lot of fun. Tough comparison, Lambo versus McLaren. Very different cars. I say I need both, but look at all these. Hey, I love cars. Oh, I think he just started it up. Yeah, you guys are gonna be seeing just all cars. That's what this is. Getting a lot of different cars. Might be picking up another car in exchange for the Maserati in a few hours. So we'll see about that. Then heading down to Orange County. Still haven't eaten, still haven't uploaded my YouTube video, so gotta go back to USC to do that. Whew, a lot to get done, but oh, they're ripping in the but I love cars. It's a lot of fun, so I'm gonna catch you guys wherever this takes us. This is where we're about to drive. It's scraping. Just parked the car. Now, we are about to be bougie. If you guys follow me on any social media, you know that I eat out a lot and like food, so we're gonna show you that. Okay, we just finished up at Chipotle. Let's take a second to admire how beautiful it is out here.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a ton of fun to make. So Hayden, if you're watching this again, like I would be so happy to make a video for you. I'm just editing it just for the fun of it, just to show you what we can be doing. We can be building your brand. Like you can be adding in clothing lines and stuff. And I know you probably don't have time for this, but we can definitely work something out and like get this figured out, because there's so many more branding deals that you can do with YouTube. Like look at Tanner J. Fox and stuff like that. They're just different people who do the same things and just build their brands bigger. And I feel like if you put two more people that know content creation, I've been doing YouTube content creation for about 10 years now, so I know how to do it. And if I know like the business and how that works as well, it'd be great to work together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you are watching this video, hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat, wherever you guys want to hit me up. on Let's Talk Business. This is Cam. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, peace out.